how to add favorite contacts on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, first things first, open up your phone and then go to the phone app and there go to contacts. Choose the contact that you want to set as favorite, tap on it, and then scroll down and there you'll find add to favorites option. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you can choose the option that you want to add to favorites. So I'll choose on call, and then I'll tap on phone, and I'll tap in their mobile number, and then I can go to the favorites option on the left side, and there you can see that the contact has been added to my favorites list, and I can just call the person from here. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.